So instead of asking for questions, I'm going to ask that you sort of save it. I know that's a lot of information, but it just gives you an idea of what's going on. So why do we need stem cells? Why do we even want stem cells? And it will become clear as we go further through. First of all, it should be pretty clear that we are short of donor organs for transplantation. So wouldn't it be wonderful if we could grow organs in the lab and have them available for people? So, and stem cells are a great way to hopefully get this done. This is way in the future, so we make it sound like it's all going to be tomorrow, but it's not. So if stem cells are younger than us, wouldn't it be nice if we can replace some of our old yucky cells with some brand new fresh cells? So this could possibly be an anti-aging concept here. Maybe, whoops. Okay, the problem with getting an organ from a donor is that our body says, well, that's not me. I am going to have to just kick that out, and your body just has a fit about the whole thing. So when you get a new organ like a liver or a heart or something, you also have to go on some very, very, very powerful drugs. So if we could take our own cells and grow our own new heart with our own cells, our body will not reject it. So this is an idea of why we would like to use stem cells. This thing. Okay. So we're going to focus, there's several places to get stem cells. We're going to focus on 3 today. We're going to first look at this one, the embryonic stem cells. And then we will look, so if we go along the continuum of how we develop, we can get embryonic stem cells. These are the youngest. They're also the most flexible, so they're going to be very useful to us. The next is obtaining stem cells from cord blood. So if you go to any obstetrics department and pick up a baby magazine, there will be advertisements in there saying, bank your baby's cord blood. So from the umbilical cord, they'll draw blood out and they will freeze that. So you have that as stem cells for the future. So, and it'll cost you $2,000 about to do the initial freeze down, and then you have to pay a couple $100s a year to keep them stored. A little bit of an expensive proposition, but if your child gets leukemia or some other disease, or we figure out what else we can do, maybe it's priceless. And then the last one is adult stem cells, which we get from anybody who's born all the way up to death. So we can obtain stem cells from any functional human being.